what we're cooking today? Chicken wings. But first we're gonna clean these wings, alright? But one thing guys, before we start cook, no promotion, but we have to take a drink, alright? This is how I make my drink. Got some Pepsi. Cheers. Yeah man, I'm gonna wash the chicken. All this excess fat gotta come off. You understand? So I'm not gonna bore you, so I'm just gonna get to it and come right back, alright? So we're using 4 different seasoning today. These gonna be naked wings, no breaded, no flour, no cornstarch, no nothing. Just like that. I'm gonna do another video with all of that, you know, crispy one, you know. But this wings we're gonna put sauce on it, so I don't really need any flour on this one. This one is gonna be, so this, I'm gonna use a little bit of this, not too much. I'm gonna use some of this. I'm gonna use some of this. Garlic, alright? So firstly, I'm gonna let my lime stay in there. I don't measure. Yeah. That's good for the garlic. This, I think this is in every, I should say, every Jamaican / Caribbean household, you know. So yeah, this Maggi, I think you can find it in all Caribbean household. So we use them too, real quick. We'll use that, right? Generous. Remember, we're gonna sauce them, so you don't need a whole bunch of seasoning, right? Smell good. Smell good. See? Alright, we're gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes while we get the oil together. Alright? Now let's go. This is how I test my oil. Garlic. Alright? So it's on 375, right? So we're gonna do drums first. Alright? Alright, that is it. That is it. No, that's the first flip. What? 10 minutes in. So we still have some way to go. Alright? Still working on these anyway. That's the first flip. Look at that. Nice, pretty. So we complete the first set. Complete. Anytime you see the meat pushing away from the bone like that, yeah, you see, golden brown. So we're gonna rest them over here. See, anytime you see the meat pushing away from the bone, yeah, man. So we're gonna rest these over here, let them drain. So we're gonna do our next batch. So our next part, we have the flats to go. So what I did is set my oven on the lowest temperature, which is about 170. So 170, and I'm just gonna stuff them in there, even make it better, you know, like cooking wise. You can stay there and go and cook. We're gonna put these in sauce, but we're not ready for them. Alright, so look at that. This is how we should be looking, alright? So we're gonna toss these now and plate them. Alright. So I did go ahead and take my gloves off, wash my hands. So let me see. Remember, this is cucumber, yeah, and carrot. Trying to make a good presentation. All right. So here, 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 and it looks good, not bad. So also, if you want some dry with no green here too, I mean, not bad. Not bad, really not bad, you know. Yeah, man. So remember, that's not celery, guys. It's cucumber. So I mean, the presentation don't look bad. Let me get some too. Cause you know, presentation is the key, you know, to clean this up. Alright, that's more like it. That's more like it. Real good. You guys remember to subscribe to my channel, alright? That's what do you call this? Asian Zing wings. Yeah. Right there. We got the dry, no sauce, just season. We got cucumber and carrots. Yeah. As I said, guys, man, remember to subscribe, alright? Let me see something. And this is all you want, you know? Yeah, man. And this is all you want, you know? Yeah, man.